Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Easy Solutions. Yes, right now today we about to go in and we finna be off inside Canva. As you can see, I'm sharing my screen right now, as you can see right off inside here. Now what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be doing something like an animated type video, and I'm going to do this all from scratch. So you're going to see me where I'm just going to get creative today. Okay, I'm all about creation, and you know that this is what this channel is all about: being creative, motivated, and ready to go. And that's how we do it on this channel right over here. So with this being said, as you see in this content, please like the video and watch it all the way up to the end, because I'm going to share something with you as well, that where you can actually get this here for 30 days for free, which it is free. Just gonna let you know that right now. But you watch this until the end as I make this video. I'm gonna try to be sweet, fast, and make this animation video pretty unique. Like I said, unique, fast, and straight to the point, and uncut. Okay. Now it's been 1 minute, so it's been 1 minute since we done been off inside the video. If you're watching it up to this point, give me that thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're liking the content here. But until then, continue watching. So let's dive in and let's get started like right now. All right, let's go ahead and start right now. And I believe what I'm gonna do is we're gonna start with we're gonna do a video. We're gonna start off with a video element, and right here. Now Canva has changed a lot of things, and everything's as I see it, as you can see right here, it is pretty doggone awesome. Now I don't want to go in full details on what Canva had added, but they did add some new essential tools that's within inside here. Now I've been creating these actual videos and these actual footage for like these animations and stuff like that. If you watch most of my videos, I'm pretty good at doing these animations. I don't need to go to no other specific tool. I can do it all from right here. Knowledge. Now don't get it miscombottled, because I can actually go in here and I can do all the creation with inside here of Canva on the tool that I'm using to record this here tutorial video. Okay, and we'll dive deep on more other tutorial videos onto Canva on this here, not on this specific training, but throughout this here series I have other tutorial videos. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's see what I want to be creating today. So bear with me, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not going to be super quick. I'm not going to be super fast, but I want to just build something. I want to show you something actually on how to build this out. Let's see. Let's go to elements for now, and I'm gonna go to let's go to sky, blue sky. Let's just do that. I'm gonna go with blue sky. Type that in. We're gonna look for a blue sky, and I want to put this at the top. Okay, remember that I'm gonna put this at the top, right? But as I go, once I do that, I'm gonna grab this one right here. I'm kind of liking that one. Let me look at all of them though. Ooh, I like this one with the sun. I kind of like that one, but that's a pro version. I don't want to use the pro version today. Okay. Ooh, I like this one right here. That looks pretty cool. This one right here looks pretty cool. Okay, that one looks kind of freaky looking. That's a pro version. But let's go ahead and pick one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pick one of these. I'm going to go with this one for now, okay? I'm going to grab this and I'm going to put it right here. Let's make it a little bit smaller, okay? Just like so. I'm going to show you how this is going to be done. I'm going to show you how this is actually going to turn out, okay? It's going to turn out pretty doggone awesome. So what I'm also going to go back in here, I'm going to grab elements, right? Let me sit this right here over in a little bit down into the corner right here, so it'll be out my way. Okay. As you can see, you got lines and shapes. That's one of my deals I go to. But what I want to go to is grids. Okay, this time I'm going into grids, and I'm going to grab these grids right here. I want to grab one. I want to see them all. I just want one specific one, and I think I want this one right here. I'm gonna pick. And we're gonna bring that up to about right there. Okay, see how that turned out? Now I'm gonna bring this here into the frame that off like that, like so. Boom. Okay, now with that said, we're gonna leave that just like that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. And then what I want to do is I'm gonna go back over here to my elements, and I'm gonna go grab like some water here. I want to look for some water. Okay, show you something. I'm gonna go back to water, look for something like water, and we want. Do we want photos or do we want? Let me get an actual footage of water, okay, of video or something like that. I want some water, but I want. Let's see. See what this is. No, we don't want that. That looks like mud. I want water like running, like a running faucet or something. Let's see. Ocean. Yeah, maybe ocean. Let's go with ocean. Let's look and see if I can find an ocean. We don't want that one because that's nightfall. That won't look right because it's during the day. Let's see if we can find something that's more like during the day. We don't want that one. We don't want that one. We sure don't want this guy in our animation. Okay. That looks pretty cool. That looks pretty awesome. But those are pros. We don't want nothing pro version. Let's see here. Genius. Okay, this one right here. I want this one. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in place. Right. I'm gonna bring it down to about right there. I'm gonna bring it down to right there like this. Okay. And I'm gonna bring this over here like this. Bam. Okay. I know you're probably like, what is he doing here? What is he about to do? Now, don't that looks pretty awesome as we looking at this right now? Now, with that said, this is actually gonna deteriorate some different things. I'm about to add some more elements inside here, okay? So where it's gonna look more animated, okay? I'm actually gonna add a boat on here. That's what I want to do next, okay? Let's see if I can go find a boat. Let's look for a boat. Not boaty. I don't know. I type boaty. Let's see if I can just find boat. Let's look for a boat or a ship or something like that. Let's go see what we got right here. Graphics. Let's get all. Okay, this one right here looks kind of funky looking. Let's see what it looked like on the water. We can have it going like this. Okay. Now I could also do some things with inside here, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do all that. But we're gonna add this boat in there, something like that. Maybe not that big of a boat, not that high up like that. Because what I want to do is add some more things, and we're gonna add that. We're gonna make it animate just a little bit more, maybe like drifting. You know, like it's drifted off onto the ocean, like so. Okay. See how that moving like that? See how that is animating right there? Look more realistic, but let's go to create new animation. So what we could do is once we create animation, see how this right here, how it's showing me off to the side, how it actually creates this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna move it across here like this, just like so, out of the picture. Okay. Wham. And you can see that. See how it's gonna move across there? I think I like that constant speed. Is that speed pretty not too fast? But see, you can do speed control right here. We can have it go a little bit slow across the water, just like that. We can make it go fast across that water. That's too fast, so we'll probably bring it about like so, something like that. Okay. Now you see how in Canva how you can make these videos animated with inside here. I'm gonna hit done. Okay. Now that's done. Now what I want to look for is like some type of let's look for like a city for this to see what this part right here is white. Well, we need something in there. Okay. So let's create some type of island or something like that. I'm gonna grab some more stuff in here in a little bit, like some birds and planes or something, put up there at the top where the sun, where you see the sky is at right here. But with that said, let's go ahead and let's add like let's add some type of background for that. Let's see what I want to put back there for the background. Let's go look for like an island or something like that. Island. Let's see. See if I can find like some type of island here. I want to look for some type of graphic type thing. Let's probably go with something like this, and we'll bring it to probably about right here. Make it just a little bit tad smaller. Okay, we want it tad smaller, like so, like that. Okay, Let's see, I think, no, we need to add that probably to the back. Let's send it to the back, position it so, there we go, boom, there we go. Okay, now with that said, let me see if I can add some other type of brown color in the background or something like that. Let's make that kind of like a tan, like something like that. Or maybe, can we make it green? No, let's do back this color right here, maybe like a brown. No, let's go with no, not like that. Let's bring it back white. And I think what I'm gonna do is add something back there. Hold on, let me go look for some more pieces of island here. Okay, just 1 second, bear with me, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully I'm not boring you here. Whatnot, of course not. I'll never get you bored. This is very interesting, right? Ain't this super interesting? We're gonna add this right on here, like so. We'll add that in there, and we'll duplicate that. Maybe one more over here, like so. Okay, just like this. Boom. Okay, and then we want to add like a. Let's see if I can go find like a. Let's send these to the back, because that's need to go to the back. Let's position it to back. There we go. And we're going to position this one, I believe, to the back as well. Let's see. There we go. And we're good right there. Maybe bring it down just a little bit of hair. No, right there is good. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Just perfect right there. Okay, that's good. That's good. Now, as you see that we got the islands in there or whatnot. Now we see we got our backgrounds back there and like that. So what I want to do also, I want to add just a little bit more details into here, okay? So let's see here. I want to add a little bit more details so where that you can actually see that it looks more realistic, okay? And so with that said, we just painting a picture here. We're just doing something. I can get a little bit of don't get it twisted. It can be some more of the things I could have added. I could have added a whole city if I wanted to in the background. But we're not just going to do that just here on this one, okay? Not on this tutorial. All right? Let's see. I want to add probably like this palm tree. Let me see. It didn't pick it. Let's get it. All right, let's get it. And I want that palm tree maybe somewhere right here. And we're going to set it to the back. Let's bring it a little bit smaller to its picture size, to about like that. Different types of palm trees there, and we're gonna send it backwards. There we go, just like that. Boom. Okay. All right, now, well, maybe I can bring it over here. Since we bring it back, we're gonna bring it over this way like this, so it looks like it's coming out the picture. And then we want to do is maybe let's see, can I take this down a little bit? Yeah, I can actually. Let's bring that down just like that. Bam. Now, see, perfect. Perfect, perfect. That's what I wanted to do. Booyah. Now, as you can see how that look, I'm gonna add some sound effects. Probably would add some music inside here. But with that said, what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna add any music, not just yet. Well, no, because I have some music playing in the background of this here video right now. But you can actually add music in here. Let's see, right here, let's right back into elements here. Okay, now where you find music is right down in here where you see audio right here. Well, you want to click on all, see all, and then that'll take you to music, and also you can find sound effects. But that's what we're gonna just add in here. I want sound effects, so I'm gonna look for ocean sound. Let's see. Ocean sounds, okay. We could have got ocean sounds. Let's see what we got here. No, that's music. No, let's do soft ocean sounds. Soft ocean. Soft. Let's do soft. Wait, damn. Misspell soft. How y'all let me do that? And so, soft ocean sounds effects. See what we got here. Okay, let's listen. Pretty cool, huh? Let's lose that sound right there. We're gonna use that. We're gonna use that one, okay? Just for now, for this video. And then I'm gonna get some bird sounds. Let's see, bird sounds effects. Let's see, bird sounds. Let's see, bird. I'm gonna find something like that. I said bird sound effects. Why I didn't do it? Hold on. Not finding my bird sound effects in here. Don't look like I'm gonna find any bird sounds. I thought they might have had some in here. I guess they don't have any. Let's see. Wait, hold on. Here we go. Wait, hold on. What we got here? It's a parrot. Yeah, we'll do English flowers like that. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if I can go find a ship sound. Let's go see if I can find ship sound. Let's see. Knowing that this is not a ship, but we're gonna just say, for instance, we're just having fun here. We're being creative, okay? So let's go with ship sound real quick. We'll do that right there, okay? And we'll stop it. Let's stop that. And let's play it right here from here, okay? See what we got. Now we're finna add the birds next, okay? Now we're finna add our birds. Okay. Let's go find the birds. Let's go find some birds now. Let's see here. Got some birds in the sky. Let's see here. What we got? See, we can get some of these from right here, but I'm not gonna get them. I'm gonna add these right here. Then we're gonna bring them up in the sky like so. And then I wanna animate them. Because I do want them flying that way, okay? And we're gonna take this whole thing and we're gonna take them just like so, like this, across. And we want them to go out and in, okay? We want them just to go out and in. Alright, now I want y'all to tell me what you think about this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like what I just created. Ain't that was super nice and super awesome and super fast? Didn't even take no time to do it right here with inside Canva. And there's all other additional things that you can actually do in here. So I advise you to go in here and go have a play around with it, okay? I have a link down in the description. And be sure to watch this video right here, okay? This here video is some more tutorials over Canva. Alright? Now with that said, look forward to seeing you on more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching Easy Solutions. Bye for till next time. Alright. Thank you for watching Easy Solutions. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and that notification bell. And be sure to hit all. Alright? Keep watching. Bye.